How are you, Primary 2, Chapter 4, Lessons 97 and 98, subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping using modeling, again drawing. Let's start. In this lesson, we will use drawing to remodel or model regrouping when you subtract 3-digit numbers. We took before 1 and 2, this is the 3-digit numbers. Let's start with 472 minus 296. Remember, whatever the number of the digits you have, you always start with the ones. Ones, and then the next place value, tens, then hundreds. So let's draw first. 472 will be 4 blocks of hundreds, 7 tens, and 2 little ones, minus 296. As you can see, 2 is smaller than 6. In the ones place, can you take 6 away from 2? No. So you have to borrow 1 from the tens. You have to borrow a whole bunch of tens from the tens. So in the ones, you will have 12 instead of 2, 12 minus 6. So now you can subtract the ones. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Go for the tens. The tens now are not 7 and 9, it's 6 and 9. In the tens place, can you take 9 away from 6? No, because smaller than this. So what do? You take from the hundreds. You always go for the next door. So regroup hundreds as 1 tens. So the tens now are not 7 minus 9, it's 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 will be 7. 16 minus 9 will be 7. For the hundreds, it's not 4 and 2, it's 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. So your 100 is 176. This is the answer. You did regrouping 2 times, one for the tens and another one for the hundreds. Take another example. From your book, page 97. You have 173 minus 48. Let's draw 100. It's a whole block of 100. The tens are 7 and the ones are 3 little ones, minus 48. Let's see the ones. 3 minus 8. Can we do 3 minus 8? No, because 3 is smaller than 8. So go and borrow 1 tenth from the 7. The 7 will be 6 and the ones will be 13. Now you can do the minus. 13 minus 8 will be 5. For the tens, it's no longer 7 minus 4, it's 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. And the 100 stays the same because you don't have another 100. So it stays 1. Your answer is 125. When you estimate this number, it goes to 150. Another example, number 2. 245 minus 63. Look for the ones. Or draw it first. 2 blocks of hundreds, 4 bars of tens, and 5 little ones. Minus 63. Look for the ones. 5 minus 3, it can be done because 5 is greater than 3. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. This is okay, no regrouping. Look for the tens. 4 minus 6. 4 is smaller than 6 and you cannot do this. So you have to borrow 1 from the 100. The 2 will be 1 and the tens will be 14 minus 6. What about 14 minus 6? Yes, 8. And the 100, they are no longer 2, it's 1. So it's 182. When you estimate this number, it goes to the 190. Another example, 719 minus 257. Let's draw 7 blocks of hundreds, 1 tens, and 9 little ones, minus 257. Look for the ones. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 7. 9 is greater than 7, so it can be done without regrouping. 9 minus 7 equals 2. This is for the ones. Go for the tens. 1 minus 5. You cannot do this. 1 is smaller than 5. Go for the hundreds. Borrow 1, so the tens will be 11. So 11 minus 5, logic, it can be done. 11 minus 5 will be 6. As for the hundreds, they are no longer 7, it's 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Your answer is 462. When you estimate this number, it goes for 450. This is how you do for 3-digit numbers using modeling and regrouping. Thank you and see you next time.